Question 10. Fill-in-the-blank questions require a little bit of extra work to determine what type of question they are. In order to logically complete the argument, you need to know what they're asking you to fill in. Here, the appearance of the word therefore in front of the blank indicates that we are doing an inference question. With an inference question, we're going to take careful stock of the information that we've been given and then find an answer choice that we can prove. The stimulus really only tells us two things here. First, something that advertisers have learned. It's easier to get people to develop a positive attitude towards a product that originally they didn't have a good attitude towards if you link it to things about which they already have positive attitudes. Now there's a second part to this, which is that when you're linking the two products, you need to do it with pictorial help rather than exclusively through prose. So don't just use text, you have to use pictures too, pictures with the text. Now the inference that we're being asked to draw is specifically about what the advertisers are likely to do. Clearly, if the advertisers know that this is a good way to get people to like their product, obviously that's what they're going to do. They're going to put it into play. So we're going to be looking for an answer choice that describes putting this process into play. So let's go to the answers. Answer choice A. Use little if any written prose in their advertisements. This is for the person who's confused the part that says they need to have pictorial help rather than exclusively prose. That's not the same thing as saying you don't want to have written text, just not exclusively written text. So answer choice A is not our answer. Answer choice B, well, answer choice B is another confusion about that rule. The rule was you want to use pictures together with prose. This is saying that you want to make sure to try to advertise products that can be better represented with pictures than with prose. So it's use pictures and prose together, not use one over the other. Answer choice B is also not the answer. Answer choice C. Place their advertisements on TV rather than in magazines. Another confusion of that part. They're supposed to use pictorial help, not abandon text. Answer choice D. Highlight the desirable features of an advertised product. That part works, but the rest of it doesn't. By contrasting them with undesirable features of a competing product, they're supposed to be associating them with things that people already have a positive attitude about, not associating them with something they have a negative attitude towards. So that means that by default, the answer must be E. Create advertising containing pictures of things most members of the target audience like. Well, yeah, because it says you have to associate them with things about which they already have positive attitudes. So they're going to contain pictures of things that the members already like. Answer choice E is provable from the information, and so it is our answer.